Good morning, everyone. I am here to explain you this digitize function, which is in NumPy module. So first, we have to import this module. Then we have to create data. I have taken this data randomly, 1 to 5 and 10 to 50. Then we have to create bins. This how the digitize function works is like this. First, we have to create bins. Bins we have to create so that numbers goes in this range, and this digital function returns the indices uh, of this bin. So indices of this bin is 1, 2, 3, and so on. I've created this by this arrange function from 0 to 100 with by taking this range of 10, so that it goes like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30. So when this digitize function runs, then it gives this indices values, and here it is the parameter like right equal to false. What this parameter does is when right equal to false, this equal goes to the left. So as you can see, this 10 comes to two ranges, and this 20 comes in two ranges. So where we have to count this. So this parameter tells this function to take equal to the left hand side or right hand side. By default it is false, so this equal to goes to the left hand side. So when this 10 comes, here it is 10 comes, so this function counts it into this indices of 2. Here it is indices of 2. When this 20 comes in, where this counts in indices of 3. And we when this parameter change into right equal to true, then this equal to goes to the right hand side. So when again 10 comes in, this count is in 1. Here it is. When equal to comes in right hand side, so 10 counts here, 20 counts here. Whereas in this, when right equal to false, it goes to the left hand side, so that it counts in second indices. So this is how this works.